Yeah, well, essentially, it was my grandparents' coffee table. It's been sat in my sister's conservatory, so she had it after he passed away. It got to the point where she's like, "Do you want to just take it? Because otherwise, I'm going to put it in the tip."
Oh, wow.
I can't believe it's got back to that actually, and that's so lovely because
It's, yeah, I thoroughly love
it
doing it.
looks really. I love the colour of it as well.
And I tried to keep it exactly as it would have been when it was new, really, except for the finish is a little bit better.